Dear Ludi Schools parents, exciting news! Introducing the Ludi Schools Mobile App, a groundbreaking advancement in education. Our app brings modern e-learning videos, interactive games, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence to enhance your child's academic performance and foster creativity. Students get access to curriculum-based educational videos and engaging games, reinforcing classroom learning and making it fun. Daily CBT practice questions for after school, weekends, or holidays to excel academically. Parents stay connected with personalized timelines, real-time updates, and classroom activities. Receive real-time check-in/checkout notifications, attendance reports, and tardiness updates with our smart ID card system, ensuring your child's safety. Get weekly/monthly performance reports, highlighting strengths, challenges, and personalized recommendations for your child's growth. Each family enjoys a private communication channel for tailored updates and messages. Join us in embracing this educational revolution. Download the Ludi Schools app on Android Play Store or iPhone App Store. Look out for a code to connect with your child soon. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Ludi Schools, grooming godly leaders.